Is your water heater refusing to light or struggling to maintain a pilot flame? The culprit is likely a clogged burner or a faulty sensor, and today we're showing you how to fix it. Welcome to PartsHnC. Replacing the burner and door assembly on a gas water heater is a precise task, where safety and sealing are the top priorities. Before you begin, you must fully deactivate the gas supply at both the control valve and the manual shutoff. Start by using open-end wrenches to carefully disconnect the three primary connections at the bottom of the gas control valve: the main burner supply tube, the pilot tube, and the thermocouple wire. Handle these with care to avoid stripping the sensitive threads. Once the old assembly is removed, take a moment to inspect the internal combustion chamber for soot and debris. A clean environment is vital for a stable flame. When sliding in your new replacement assembly, ensure the burner head is positioned correctly on its internal support bracket for even heat distribution. Most importantly, check that the door gasket is perfectly aligned and secured. This airtight seal is a critical safety feature designed to contain the combustion process and prevent gases from escaping into your home. After reconnecting all tubes and wires, always perform a leak test with a specialized solution. If no bubbles appear, you are ready to follow the lighting protocols and return the unit to service. Need more help with your HVAC repairs? Hit that subscribe button and head over to PartsHnC.com for the parts you need. Check out our social media links below for more maintenance tips and updates. Thanks for watching.